Few watches capture the essence of minimalism and craftsmanship quite like the Lange and Söhne Saxonia thin. First introduced in 2011 and refined in 2016, it's the purest expression of Lange's philosophy, elegance reduced to its most essential form. Now, for 2025, Lange introduces two exquisite new additions that elevate this minimalist icon even further. The Saxonia thin Onyx dial, available in Honeygold and Platinum. The real star here is the dial, a flawless slab of black onyx set over a solid silver base. Its glossy, mirror-like surface transforms under the light, giving the watch a hypnotic depth and visual purity that few materials can match. In the Honeygold edition, the warmth of the metal glows softly against the deep black dial. In Platinum, the contrast is striking, cool, crisp, and undeniably modern. At 40 millimeters wide and just 6.2 millimeters thick, the Saxonia thin remains perfectly proportioned. It slips effortlessly under a cuff, embodying understated luxury. Through the sapphire back, you'll find Lange's caliber L09 3.1, the brand's thinnest movement at only 2.9 millimeters. Manually wound, it offers a 72-hour power reserve, finished to the highest standards with German silver plates, blued screws, gold chattons, and the signature hand-engraved balance cock. This is horological art at its most refined. Every part polished, beveled, and assembled twice, even for a watch that only tells hours and minutes. Limited to 200 pieces each, the Honeygold and Platinum Saxonia thin onyx editions are masterpieces of restraint and precision. Pricing is on request, but as always with Lange, perfection speaks louder than numbers.